SUMIF is one of Excel's most useful math functions. If you have a range of values and you want to add together only numbers that meet an exact criteria, you can use the SUMIF function. Let's see how it works. Here we have a data table that consists of ID, date and value columns. We also have a criteria column where we placed a value of 103 which represents the ID 103. This value will be used as SUMIF criteria. Let's get started by entering the SUMIF command. There are three parameters in SUMIF function. The range of cells is the first parameter, which will be applied against the criteria. We'll enter the range A3 to A7. This is the range of cells that will be tested to determine if they meet the criteria. The second parameter we will need to enter is the criteria that will be applied against the range A3 to A7. This criteria can either be a value or the reference to a cell that contains a value. In our example, we will enter D3, which contains the value 103. The SUMIF function will test each value in range A3 to A7 to see if it matches the ID 103. The third parameter we must enter is the range of the values that may be summed. In our example, we will enter a range of C3 to C7. For every value in A3 to A7 that matches the ID 103, the corresponding value in C3 to C7 will be summed. Now that we have entered all of SUMIF's parameters, let's complete the command to examine the result. Now we have got the value 6500 appear. This value is calculated by adding 2000, 3000 and 1500. The other values in the table will be ignored since their ID value is not equal to 103. This covers a simple example of how to use Excel's SUMIF function. If you have found our tutorial helpful, please leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great Excel tutorials.